back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead. This one is a flexible schedule. It's going to allow you to set that schedule so you can work around other jobs or other responsibilities. They are providing a computer for you. If you're interested in applying, the links to this page are in the YouTube description box below this video. But we'll get right into it. The company Baires, they are a fast-growing company in America. They offer different business solutions to their clients, and they are hiring a sales data entry person to work remote from home. Now, as a sales data entry remote worker, you'll be uploading data of website landing pages and website new leads on marketing sheets. You'll perform extensive searches in the web to find the lead and the company's contact information. You'll execute periodic updates of leads lacking updated contact information. You'll execute periodic data updates and reports daily and weekly. And of course, you'll read raw Service Connect responses and website messages. So you're basically going to be doing some research and entering the correct contact information. They are not requiring any kind of a college degree. They just want somebody who has 3 to 5 years of experience doing data entry, someone who can be detail-oriented and deadline-driven, someone who has the ability to work alone, someone who can follow processes, has great English skills, and can manage multiple tasks. Now, this is 100% remote work. Therefore, they are going to provide all your computer equipment that you need to work from home. They also offer flexible hours, make your own schedule, and they include a benefit package including vacation time and holidays. Now, unfortunately, they did not list the pay. That will have to be asked at the time of the interview. I did try to do some research on their Glassdoor page, but could not find any salary information for a sales data entry specialist. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do always read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.